political season is here, and with it comes complete disregard for the law, and caution is thrown to the wind. Just a day after a person fell off a campaign truck and died in Kiambu County, Matatu drivers and youth don't seem to have learned any lessons. Many more are seen flouting sections 47 and 61 of the Traffic Act, as you see there. That is on reckless driving and riding in dangerous positions within the city centre. These all happened today. What is more worrying is that no policeman dared ask questions, even as they endangered the lives of other motorists and pedestrians.